1950 Zenith. And I don't remember seeing that in the picture. So this has a good crack here. Handle's got some issues. Screen needs to be replaced. It's got the knobs though. Missing a whole section here. I did not see that in the picture. Have to fix that. Dog's barking. So I did the backing last night. Brought it into the shop today and grooved out the top side of the cracks, and I just filled those with epoxy. And all these pieces that got reattached last night and missing corner I just filled in with short strand fiberglass repair, and I still got epoxy over everything, so I'll smooth that out with a grinder, sand, and maybe get it in primer tomorrow or sometime next week. This piece, I'm gonna lose the numbers. I polished it a little bit. It'll look like that. I don't know if that's the look I want. And that's with 3000 grit and then doing a twist at the end. Kind of like that, but I might paint it too. Don't know yet. So when it's done, I expect it to shine like this Subaru that I just finished. Oh yeah. Ready to prime. And it's coming along. Got a lot of the broken areas repaired. Pretty happy with this color. It's going to work for what I'm doing. Now I have to sand this down to 600 again. Then I'm going to clear it again later this week. Okay, sanded with 600. Wiped down. It's drying now. The next stage is something I've never done before. I can't make a test panel because I didn't order enough. I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. And if it doesn't work out, I'll sand it back off and go with another plan. Never done this before. We'll see how it goes. Gotta brush this on and let it sit. Makes it tacky. I'll try some makeup brushes, I think. That is thin, thin. I found this plastic cover that it came with. When you put it on the edge of the leaf, it statically will pick it up. And I transferred it like that because just trying to pick this up, it just falls apart. That's not bad for the first shot. This is a variegated leaf. It's got little chemical stains in it. I guess there's all kinds of... There was an air bubble there, I just got that out. This will be interesting. Oh, clear sticks to it. And here it is before it gets cleared and cleaned. What's happening, guys? Still working on the radio. A couple weeks into it. Got the chassis cleaned out. I didn't get the Bluetooth speaker that I put in this thing because these sound really good outside. I got one that sounds just about as good but has a lot more battery because this is going to be at a campground situation. And that's pretty much the unit there. Oh, what's it called? An iHome or something. I got the lights. I just don't have batteries in there right now. And I just have them kind of... Oh! I left a few tubes in there just for effect. And I got some of the lights wrapped around the tubes. I don't know if you can see that one. This is where we're at. Put the light on. Gold leaf turned out pretty sweet. Pinstripe, eh. That's the front. I'm not digging this contrast. I'm probably going to pull those back off and do something different with those. Clear coat over the leaf is okay, but I did do a test, and if you put tape on it, it will pull out a little bit. So for a car or a bike, I definitely would have to figure something else out. This should be fine. It's on there pretty good, and this isn't going to be going on the highway or anything. And that's the look so far. The handle, I still have to do something for the handle itself. I have an idea with that. That's the way the radio is so far. It's just about done. Just a couple more little details to go. There's something really cool about hearing a 50s song playing on a 50s radio. It's kind of neat.
It's our wedding anniversary gift, you guys.
You're gonna love it. Oh. You really will love it.
I'm gonna love it? Okay.
I love it.
Yeah. Take the other half of it.
Take the top off.
You can't do it? Oh, you buy shit.
Thank you. I can't pick it up. That's awesome. Thank Thank you. Oh my God.
Are we playing something?